Ever wondered why spinach and pineapple are considered superfoods? Well, you're not alone. Superfoods are a fascinating concept. They're everyday foods that, thanks to their nutritional profiles, pack a punch well above their weight. Their power lies in the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they contain, which are vital to our well-being. Now, when we think of superfoods, we often think of exotic ingredients from distant lands. But the truth is, some of the most potent superfoods are probably in your kitchen right now. Among them are two champions of nutrition: spinach and pineapple. Spinach, the leafy green known for its iron content, and pineapple, the tropical fruit loved for its sweet tang, are both categorized as superfoods. But what exactly makes these two so special? Why are they considered powerhouses of nutrition? Well, we won't dive into the specifics just yet, but be prepared for some exciting revelations. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of these two nutritional powerhouses. First up, let's explore the leafy green world of spinach. This humble vegetable, often overlooked in the produce aisle, is a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting a wealth of health benefits that would astonish even the most health-conscious among us. Spinach, a vibrant green leafy vegetable, is a rich source of iron. This is not just any iron, but a form that our bodies can readily absorb. Increasing your intake of iron-rich foods like spinach can help combat fatigue and weakness, symptoms often associated with iron deficiency. Iron also plays a crucial role in producing red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout your body, keeping your organs functioning optimally. But the nutritional prowess of spinach doesn't stop with iron. It is also packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that help combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Oxidative stress, which can be caused by various factors including poor diet, stress, and environmental pollutants, can lead to a host of health problems, from premature aging to chronic diseases. The antioxidants in spinach, including vitamins A and C, as well as flavonoids and carotenoids, work together to neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your cells and potentially reducing your risk of several diseases. They also support immune function, helping your body fight off infections and diseases. Moreover, spinach is a great source of dietary fiber, beneficial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It also contains a good amount of calcium and vitamin K, both vital for bone health. Beyond the health benefits, spinach is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be enjoyed raw in a salad, cooked in a variety of dishes, or even blended into a smoothie for a quick nutrient boost. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk by the spinach. Embrace this leafy green powerhouse and make it a staple in your diet. Your body will thank you for it. Clearly, spinach is not just Popeye's favorite food, it's a nutritional superstar. Now let's move on to the tropical delight that is pineapple. Imagine the juicy sweetness of a ripe pineapple. Sounds delicious, right? But what if I told you that this tropical fruit is a nutritional powerhouse too? Bursting with vitamin C and packed with beneficial enzymes, pineapple is a superfood that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also supports your health in numerous ways. Let's start with the vitamin C content of a pineapple. This nutrient is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your body from harmful free radicals, which can cause a range of health problems if left unchecked. Vitamin C also plays a critical role in supporting immune function. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against disease and infection. So chowing down on pineapple can help keep your immune system in top shape. But vitamin C is just the beginning of what pineapples have to offer. This fruit also contains a group of enzymes known as bromelain. These enzymes are particularly beneficial for gut health. They help break down proteins, making it easier for your body to digest food. This can help reduce bloating and discomfort after meals, and may even support overall gut health. And there's more! Bromelain has also been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with a host of health conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. So you see, there's a lot more to pineapples than their tantalizing sweetness. This tropical fruit is a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health in many ways. From boosting your immune system to promoting gut health, the benefits of pineapple are impressive. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of pineapple, remember, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're boosting your health. Now that we've seen what each of these superfoods has to offer, let's talk about what happens when you bring them together. Spinach, with its iron and antioxidants, and pineapple, boasting a wealth of vitamin C and enzymes, each hold their own in the health realm, but when paired, they create a symphony of nutrition that can supercharge your well-being. It's like when two superheroes team up in a comic book. Individually, they're powerful, but together they're unstoppable. Think of it this way: iron, the mineral powerhouse in spinach, is absorbed more efficiently in our bodies when paired with vitamin C, a nutrient abundantly found in pineapple. So, when you consume these two together, you're maximizing the absorption of iron, providing your body with the tools it needs to support energy production and oxygen transport, but the magic doesn't stop there. Pineapple's bromelain, a special enzyme known for its digestive powers, can help break down the proteins in your meals, making digestion smoother. And guess what? Spinach is a rich source of dietary fiber, which is also essential for a healthy digestive system. So, together, spinach and pineapple can give your gut health a significant boost. And let's not forget the antioxidant-rich profile of both these superfoods. Antioxidants are like the body's little warriors, fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. When you consume spinach and pineapple together, you're arming your body with an army of these protective antioxidants. But how can you incorporate these two superfoods into your diet? Well, the possibilities are endless. Think of refreshing green smoothies, tropical salads, or even a twist on a pizza topping. The combination of spinach and pineapple not only adds a nutritional punch to your meals, but also brings a unique blend of flavors that can make healthy eating enjoyable. It's clear that when spinach and pineapple team up, they're a nutritional force to be reckoned with. As we move forward, let's explore some delicious ways to include these power-packed superfoods in our everyday meals. Stay tuned. Wondering how to incorporate these superfoods into your diet? We've got you covered. Let's kick things off with a simple yet scrumptious spinach and pineapple smoothie. Start with a handful of fresh spinach leaves, add in some ripe pineapple chunks, throw in a banana for a creamy texture, and blend it all together with a splash of almond milk. Enjoy this nutrient-rich concoction first thing in the morning to jumpstart your day. Next up, we have a vibrant spinach and pineapple salad. This refreshing dish combines the crispness of spinach with the tropical sweetness of pineapple. Toss in some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and feta cheese for added flavor. Drizzle with a light honey mustard dressing and voila! You've got a salad that's not only delicious, but also packed with health-boosting properties. Now, cooking these superfoods is also an option. Just remember, overcooking spinach can deplete its nutrients, so lightly sauté it in olive oil with some garlic and you've got a tasty side dish. As for pineapple, grilling it can enhance its sweetness. But don't grill it for too long as it can lose some of its beneficial enzymes. And how about a recipe that combines both? Try a spinach and pineapple stir-fry. This dish blends the robust flavors of spinach with the tangy sweetness of pineapple, all sautéed together in a light soy and ginger sauce. It's a delightful fusion of flavors that's sure to please your palate and your body. Remember, the key to preserving the nutrition in these superfoods is to cook them lightly and quickly. And when it comes to raw dishes, always opt for fresh, ripe ingredients. So, there you have it. A smoothie to start your day, a salad for a light lunch, a side dish, or a stir-fry for dinner. These recipes are simple, versatile, and easy to whip up. And the best part? They're loaded with the nutritional power of spinach and pineapple. With these recipes and tips, you're all set to harness the power of spinach and pineapple in your kitchen. There you have it, the secret powers of spinach and pineapple unlocked. We've journeyed through the nutritional wonders of these two superfoods, exploring their rich benefits and the science that makes them health superstars. Spinach, with its abundance of iron and antioxidants, is more than just a leafy green. It's a health-boosting powerhouse that supports your body's immune function and overall well-being. And let's not forget pineapple, the vibrant fruit loaded with vitamin C and enzymes. It's not just a sweet delight, it's a health promoter that can significantly impact your gut health. Combining these two superfoods in your diet can create a dynamic duo that packs a powerful nutritional punch. We've shared delicious recipes and tips to help you incorporate these ingredients into your meals seamlessly. Remember, spinach and pineapple are more than just tasty treats, they're superfoods that can boost your health. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up these nutritional powerhouses. Thank you for tuning in to our channel, Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness. See you in the next video.